CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE, Unit 5, Vector Integration. Lesson 2. Problem 3. Find the work done. Find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus 5z j bar plus 10x k bar. 10x k bar along the curve. X is equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube. From t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. T is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. Solution. Given F bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus 5z j bar plus 10x k bar. Now you write your R bar. xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. dr bar dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. F bar dot dr bar 3xy I bar minus 5z j bar plus 10x k bar dot dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Dot product. Multiply I bar coefficients 3xy dx plus multiply j bar coefficients minus 5z dy. K bar multiply k bar coefficients 10x dz. Given x is equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube, dx, t square derivative 2t, 1 derivative 0, dt, dy, t square derivative 2t, 2 into 2t, 4t, dt, dz, t cube derivative 3t square dt. 3t square dt. Now F bar dot dr bar in terms of t 3x t square plus 1 y 2t square dx 2t dt minus 5z t cube dy 40 dt, 40 dt. Next 10 plus 10x t square plus 1 dz 3t square dt. Simplifying, we get 30t square plus 12t cube plus 10t power 4 plus 12t power 5 into dt. So work done means line integral. Work done is equal to into over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral. T limits are given in the problem 1 to 2. So 1 to 2. F bar dot dr bar is 30t square plus 12t cube plus 10t power 4 plus 12t power 5 dt. Integrating, we get 30t cube by 3 plus 12t power 4 by 4 plus 10t power 5 by 5, 12t power 6 by 6, 1 to 2 is equal to, this is 10 times, 4 3 times, 5 2 times, 6 2 times. So substituting upper limit, instead of t you write to 2 cube 8 into 10 80 plus 2 power 4 16 into 3 48 plus t power 5 2 power 5 32 into 2 64 128. This is your upper limit minus lower limit 1. We get 10 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. This is equal to how much? Final answer is 303. Problem 4. Find the work done. In moving a particle in the force field F bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y j bar plus zk bar along the straight line from 0 0 0 to 2 1 3. Solution. F bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Dr bar is equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. F bar dot dr bar. Dot product of F bar and dr bar. I bar coefficients, multiplying I bar coefficients, 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y into dy plus z dz. Dz. F bar dot r bar. So equation of straight line passing through. Equation of straight line passing through points 0, 0, 0, comma 2, 1, 3. This is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2. Your formula is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, x minus 0 by 2 minus 0, y minus 0 by 1 minus 0, z minus 0 by 3 minus 0. So x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 3. Our work done means line integral. Line integral means single integral. Here three variables are there, x, y, z. We have to write in one variable. Say this is t. So from this x value in terms of t, 2t, y value t cross multiplying, z value 3t. So dx 2 t derivative 1 dt, dy t derivative 1 dt, dz 3 t derivative 1 dt. Now you write f bar dot dr bar in terms of t, 3x square, x is 2t whole square, dx 2 dt plus 2xz 2x 2t z 3t 2xz minus y minus t dt, dy is dt, next z dz plus z means 3t, dz 3 dt. So we get here 2t square, 2t whole square, 4t square, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24 t square. Here 6 12 t square plus 12 t square minus t. This is plus 9t into dt. You common dt. So 36 t square plus 80t dt. Now we have to find t limits. In the problem t limits are not given. We have to find t limits according to points. What is your lower limit? 0, 0, 0 implies, what is its meaning? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. This implies what is x in terms of t? 2t is equal to 0, y t is equal to 0, z 3t is equal to 0. From this we get t is equal to 0. From three relations we get t is equal to 0. Upper limit 213 implies its meaning x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3 implies 2t is equal to 2, t is equal to 1, 3t is equal to 3 implies t is equal to 2 by 2 1, t is equal to 1, 3 by 3 1. So from three relations t is equal to 1. So t limits are 0 to 1. 0 to 1. T limits are 0 to 1. Now work done. Work done is nothing but line integral over c f bar dot dr bar 0 to 1 36 t square plus 80t dt 36 t cube by 3 integration 8 constant t square by 2 x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula 0 to 1 substituting upper limit this one in this 12 times. So 12t cube plus this 4 times 4t square 0 to 1 substituting upper limit 1 here 1 cube 1 1 square 1. So 16 minus 0 is equal to 16. Problem 5. Find the work done. In moving a particle, in the force field, F bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y j bar plus zk bar. Along the curve defined by x square is equal to 4y comma 3x cube is equal to 8z from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Solution given f bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y into j bar plus zk bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Dr bar is equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. F bar dot dr bar dot product multiply bar coefficients 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y dy plus z dz. Now here relation between xy is there, xz is there, but limits are given, x limits are given 0 to 2. So we have to write y value in terms of x, z value in terms of x. This is the procedure. This is the only procedure because here x limits are given. So you write your y in terms of x, you write z in terms of x. So what is y value? X square by 4. What is z value? 3x cube by 8. Dy 2x by 4 dx. So x by 2 dx. dz 3 by 8 3x square dx. X cube derivative 3x square. So 9 by 8 x square dx. Now you write your f bar dot dr bar in terms of x. You write 3x square dx as it is 2x. What is z value here? 3x cube by 8 minus y value. What is y value? X square by 4 into dy x by 2 dx. X by 2 dx. Next plus z 3x cube by 8 dz 9 by 8 x square dx is equal to, so simplifying we get this step. So work done is equal to integral over c bar dot dr bar is equal to x limits 0 to 2 3x square minus x cube by 8 plus 51 by 64 x for 5 dx. This is equal to 3x cube by 3 x for 4 by 4 into 8 32 51 x for 6 by 6 into 64 0 to 2 3 cancel. So substituting upper limit here 8 minus 16 by 32 plus 17 by 2, lower limit 0, simplifying we get 16.